In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop spam from Microsoft Outlook users. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the fastest way to stop a sender is to right-click the unwanted email in your inbox. Choose Block, and then click Block Sender. That immediately moves the message out of your inbox and prevents future emails from that sender from landing there again. If you want more control, open Settings, go to Mail. Then Junk Email. Under Blocked Senders and Domains, you can add specific email addresses or even entire domains. For example, adding fayexample.com blocks every address from that domain. This is useful when all unwanted messages come from the same organization or provider. Remember to save your changes and keep this list tidy so you don't accidentally block something you need. In Classic Outlook on Windows, you can block a sender right from your inbox as well. Just click the email, select Block, and then click Block Sender. It's quick and it teaches Outlook to treat messages from that source as junk going forward. Classic Outlook also lets you fine-tune how aggressively it filters incoming mail. On the Home tab, select Junk. Then Junk Mail options. Here, choose the level that fits your tolerance. Low is very conservative and only moves obvious junk to the junk folder, which is a good starting point for most people. High catches most spam, but it may occasionally grab legitimate messages. So plan to check your junk folder regularly and move any valid messages back to your inbox. Safe lists only is the most restrictive setting. Only mail from people on your safe senders list reaches the inbox. If you choose this, make sure your important contacts and mailing lists are on your safe list first. To take things a step further in Classic Outlook, you can block by country or language. In Junk Mail options, open the International tab. Use the Block Top Failable Domain list to block messages from specific country codes, such as .cn or .ru, which can help if you are being targeted from particular regions. You can also use the Blocked Encodings list to filter out messages written in alphabets or character sets you don't read. Apply these settings carefully, especially if you regularly communicate internationally, as you don't want to miss legitimate messages. That's it. Thanks for watching.